promise to love you. There's nothing that I wouldn't do. I went through the fire for you, anything you asked me to. But I'm tired of living this lie. It's getting harder to justify. I realize that I just don't love you, not like I used to. I used to love you, used to love you, used to love you. I don't love you. Futures made of virtual insanity now always seem to be governed by this love we have for useless twisting all the new technologies. Oh, now there is no sound, for we all live underground. And I am thinking what a mess we're in.